Hello, am I audible? Just check whether my voice is audible.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
Yes, sir.
where we were? Just check. So have you taken the notebook? So just check where we were. So
Problem,
four
sir.
problems were going on. Problems. In first type of problem we have seen force resolution, in which we have seen a single force. Let me revise once again, where we have resolved a force which is a single one. So in that case we have decided the direction, if it is going towards right hand side or upward. Simply we are considering it as a positive. On the other hand, if it is going towards negative, so how we are going to judge if either it is going towards left hand side or downward? We are considering it as a negative. That we have seen resolution of single force, that we have seen. So next afterwards we have started. So moment. So this all sign convention, it was shown for a single force. Afterward, this problem we have seen. Okay. Main part this we have started moment. So what we have seen in case of moment. Moment is nothing but a rotational effect. So we have seen if a particular force is applied from it, not necessary to it should move from one place to another place. Okay. So on the other hand, it will go, it will rotate if one of the point of the body is fixed, that we have seen. So moment simply it is defined as how we are going to define
Perpendicular.
perpendicular
Magnitude into perpendicular distance.
magnitude of force into perpendicular distance. In more depth, how we can say, in more depth we can say a magnitude of force and perpendicular distance between a point and line of action of force, that we have seen. So after that, these examples, two special cases we have seen. Which are they? Two special cases. If a particular force will pass through a certain point, दिलेला force जर एखाद्या point मधून pass होत असेल, then moment at that point is zero. Number one. Even for today's lecture also I have told, for offline lecture. Uh, Another case, a special case is what? If a line of action of force will pass, a line of action of force will pass through a point, then at that point moment will be zero. It is as simple as this. जर एखादा फोर्स पॉइंट मधून जात असेल किंवा line of action of force, if at all we are going to extend, if that line of action of force will pass through that particular point, then also it will be zero. Okay, these two special case we we have to consider. Then we have seen sign convention for moment. What is the sign convention? If it is a clockwise, then how we are considering it as a moment? If it is clockwise,
Positive.
Positive.
then we are
Positive.
then we are considering it as a positive. Okay. And if it is anti-clockwise, we have to check how it is applying the effect. Then we have seen this special case, what I was telling. If a line of action of force will pass through a certain point, then perpendicular distance will become zero. That's why moment will become zero. So just check whether we have solved such problem. One problem, this problem we have solved, I think.
Yes, sir.
This problem we have solved, in which whatever forces are there, that force is only either it is vertical or horizontal, likewise. Okay, so another example we have seen, just check. So this example, after this one more example we have solved, in which whatever force it was given, it is only inclined force. It is neither it is horizontal nor vertical. So whether this problem completely we have solved, just check.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completely. Complete,
Yes, sir.
completely this problem we have solved, and a force was inclined. So what we have did in this problem, we have resolved this problem into its components, which are they? One is x component, another one is y component.
Why?
And then we have added these two moment. We have calculated moment for x component, we have calculated moment for y component, and just we have added by considering or by taking into account its sign. Sign is most important in case of moment. So this problem is over. So this problem, so is it completed? So I am not remembering.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Last थोडं राहिलाय.
Yes, sir.
Last one is remained.
F of
हा
x
सर थोडा राहिलाय.
Okay, shall we solve this problem? So in this problem again, so let me clear again once again. So what is the given in this problem? How many forces are given? At what point we are supposed to calculate moment? So problem statement is not with me now. Can anybody tell at what point? If I am not wrong, is
At
it at
point
A,
A.
sir. Point A, sir.
Point A.
point A? We are supposed to calculate, no?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So how many forces are there in this system? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Four.
Four forces
Four
are
forces.
four forces are there. So moment at point A due to 55 kilonewton force, how much it is?
Zero.
Zero.
Hmm?
Zero.
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 Yes, sir.
So if 50 kilonewton force, so due to 50 kilonewton force, moment is zero. What is the reason? What is
applied on point.
One point.
Applied on point.
applied at that point only, so moment is zero. So here you can write sentence. What sentence you are going to write? The force 50 kilonewton is passing through point A. So indirectly or correct technical reason we can give, what will be the perpendicular distance of 50 kilonewton force from point A?
Zero.
Zero. That's why moment will become zero. Second. Now let us go for second. Which is the second force?
B.
B. At point B, or we can say, I will write it as a 100 kilonewton. So what will be the moment? What is the formula for moment? Moment is equal to
Magnitude into perpendicular.
Magnitude into perpendicular distance.
into perpendicular distance. So what it will become due to 100 kilonewton force?
So zero.
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 Again it will become zero. What is the correct reason? What will be the correct
Pass from point A.
line of action? So in descriptive matter you have to write. So line of action of force 100 kilonewton is passing from point A. Likewise you have to write sentence, and finally you can write it is zero. So next one, I think which force we have taken? If I am not 70 kilonewton.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
70
Yes, sir.
kilonewton. So due to 70 kilonewton, so already we have solved. So in short, magnitude, what is the magnitude?
70.
Magnitude
70.
70
into 2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
Perpendicular
So
distance.
perpendicular distance. So what it will become?
Minus
175.
Minus
175.
175.
175 kilonewton meter. Why we have taken minus?
And
Why?
anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise
So
direction.
anti-clockwise direction, whatever moment will come. So here, those who are not understanding distance, so in today's one of the lecture upline, so I came to know that it is very difficult to calculate distance. So whatever this line is there, 70 kilonewton, this 70 kilonewton line, like this you have to extend. Likewise you can extend. See, so I have extended this something vertical. Likewise you can extend vertical. So on this line somewhere you can write this 70 kilonewton. Even this force you can extend in this way also, backside. Likewise, so anywhere you can write likewise 70 kilonewton, anywhere. So then you can easily find out what is the perpendicular distance. Okay, so this is over. So is there any problem to find out distance? 2.5 meter perpendicular distance, is there any difficulty? So what today I came to know that for that lecture, students are directly taking distance between A and D, which is inclined one. So it is not perpendicular distance. So lot many things I have told. If two lines are there, something like suppose line A and line B, like this. So parallel lines are there, suppose A, B and C, D. So perpendicular distance means minimum distance between two lines. is a perpendicular distance. Keep in mind. So minimum distance between two parallel lines is its perpendicular distance. So we should be very carefully, we should find the distance. Now next part we have seen force 60 kilonewton. Fourth force is 60 kilonewton. So fourth force is 60 kilonewton. So how to find? So I will write here somewhere. So how we have found out? So what is happening for this? So force 60 kilonewton is inclined force. That force is inclined one. So we have to, what we have to do?
Find a apex and fy.
We have to find its apex and fy component. Why? Because it is inclined. So with whom inclination is given in the problem? With x-axis or y-axis?
X.
With
X-axis.
x-axis. So what will be its x component? So I will write here
F cos
apex.
theta.
F cos
F
theta.
cos theta.
So here I will write apex is equal to f cos theta. Now, is it possible for you to tell its value directly? 60 into cos 30,
51.96.
51.96.
51.96 kilonewton. Now, if we are going to apply, how that force will be? Apex force will be in the horizontal direction, correct? Whether it will be in horizontal direction? Yes.
Yes,
So
sir.
moment, now if I will write here, moment due to apex, moment due to apex. So what will be the force? Apex, whatever, into perpendicular distance. Now you tell me what will be the perpendicular distance of apex?
2 meter.
2 meter.
2 meter.
2 meter is the correct answer. So whatever apex will come into 2 meter. So how you are going to remember that perpendicular distance, or how you are going to calculate? You have to just extend line of action of apex force. So here, if shall I extend here? So if I will extend by some other color, you will come to know that. So let me clear here once again. So I will extend by, suppose any other color I will take here. So if I will extend some, so same color came, maybe suppose it is not looking. Just check, some green colored I am used. So this will be line of action. So line of action of that apex force, and this another line of action I am going to this green colored, if you are going to see carefully. So what is the moment due to apex? What is the moment? Apex into 2 meter, how much it is? What is the value? 51.96 into 2, how much it is?
103.92.
103
192
kilonewton meter, plus or minus?
plus
The plus.
Plus.
Plus, sir.
Very good, it is plus. It will be plus. So this, now last force resolution, Fy is equal to, what is formula Fy?
F sin theta.
sin theta.
Fy is equal to f sin theta. So calculate, what is the value of f? 60 sin 30, no?
30.
Sin 30 half. So it will be 30 kilonewton.
30.
30 kilonewton. So moment due to
Y.
Fy is equal to perpendicular distance. So Fy,
90.
what will be the perpendicular distance?
3 meter.
So perpendicular distance, is there any problem? So you have to take horizontal distance AB plus CD or DC. I'm correct?
5.5.
So how much it will be? Who told 3? So what will be the perpendicular distance of force Fy? So see here,
5.5.
how much it will be?
5.5.
5.5. So it will be 5.5. So I have written here 5.5. So it will be equal to, now calculate, Fy is known, 30 into 5.5.
160.
How much it is? 30 into 5.5.
160.
165.
165 kilonewton meter. So what will be its sign? Sign is most important in case of moment.
minus,
minus or plus?
minus,
Minus.
Minus plus
Minus. Minus.
minus,
इकडे बघा परत एकदा आता हे बघा इथं
Anti-
vertical force, our vertical force is Fy, so this will be this is Fy, again this is Fy, इथे या पूर्ण लाईन वरती Fy असणार आहे आपला, means this is the line of action of that force Fy. So clearly by your left hand side you can fix point A, you can imagine point A is fixed and Fy force is applied in this way. So how this object will rotate after application of Fy force? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Clockwise or anti-clockwise? That you have to imagine.
Anti-clockwise.
Confusion is removed. Confusion is removed. How will it will rotate? Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is it removed? Who say were telling it will rotate clockwise? इथे एक लक्षात पॉइंट ए फिक्स करा तुमच्या डाव्या हाताने आणि उजव्या हाताने Fy फोर्स लावाय सी पॉइंटला. तर हे ऑब्जेक्ट कसं रोटेट होईल? क्लॉकवाइज होईल का अँटी क्लॉकवाइज रोटेट होईल? Who were telling? I think roll number 3 were telling anti-clockwise. So how this object will get rotated?
anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise. Shall we go ahead? So shall I write minus sign here?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it will rotate it anti-clockwise. So it will rotate in anti-clockwise. So now what we have to do finally? We have to add all these moments. We have to add all these.
Total moment.
What happened, Shubham?
No, sir. Total moment.
Total moment you have to find out. So finally, so again space limitation. So I will here write total moment in short. Finally, you can write total moment is equal to add. So first one is 0, second one is 0. What was third? Due to apex, how much it was? 51.96 or sorry, 103. 103.92.
Yes, sir.
Minus due to Fy it was minus. How much it is? Minus
170.
170 or 65?
175.
175? Okay, 175. Calculator is not with me. So that's why whatever you are telling, I am today, I will keep on faith. I have to keep faith on you. Calculator is not with me.
तिथं 6
तिथं 6च पाहिजे.
हो सर 175 आहे सर.
175.
165 सर.
165 or 75? 5.5 into 30.
नंबरला तुम्ही 170.
165, sir.
165 येते.
165 सर.
165.
165 येते सर.
30. 165.
Yes, sir.
165 is correct answer.
ठीक आहे 165 माइनस करेक्ट ना. फाइनल आंसर आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन फाइनल आंसर. What is final momentum? Calculate and tell how much it is.
175 पण लिहा की सर. 3 नंबरला -175 पण लिहिले की तुम्ही.
इथं का हे
लेफ्ट हँड साइडला 3 नंबर
3 number. ठीक आहे फाइनल यू टेल मी फाइनल how much it is. Add this and tell.
-236.08.
Minus
236.08.
236. 236 6.08 kilonewton meter. Sorry, here it was minus, no? Sorry, sir. Okay. So final answer you note down, afterwards you can write -236.08. So actually last part was remained, I think. So that we have completed. Okay, shall we go next?
Yes.
So
Yes,
Yes, sir.
let me check what is there. So this we will solve now. So this was our problem. So simply, so this we will take now. Next problem you can write. Next problem, find moment due to force system. Next problem, find moment due to force system. Moment due to force system as shown in following figure. As shown in following figure at point D for Delhi, we can say at point D, at point D. At point D. So how many forces? So how you can draw by freehand this diagram.
Sir, at point कोणता?
D. So I will make circle here. I will make circle about this point. About this point we want to find D. So is it possible? It is very simple again. Simple problem. Nothing new in this. So what is there in this? How many forces are there in this problem?
3 forces.
3.
Three forces. Out of that, 2 forces are horizontal. Only 1 force is inclined, and again that angle. So this angle is given. So whenever angle is given, so hereafter you have to remember that angle is acute angle. Keep in mind. So whenever we are going to consider that angle should be acute angle. So shall we go for solution?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At point D,
Yes, sir.
moment at D we want to find. So force number 1, which force we will take first? Let us take first horizontal force 60 Newton. Shall we take 60 Newton force?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so moment. So what will be the moment? So if I will write moment, magnitude into
Perpendicular distance.
perpendicular distance. So what is magnitude? 60
60 Newton.
Newton into perpendicular distance
3.5.
3.5. So total value. Calculate fast now. Calculator is not doing it. So
200.
200
10.
210 kilonewton sin प्लस मायनस. आता कसं इमेजिन करणार? पॉइंट डी हा तुम्ही फिक्स केलेला आहे, ए च्या ठिकाणी
Minus.
फोर्स लावलेला आहे. हाऊ दिस रोटेट
Minus, sir.
ऑब्जेक्ट विल रोटेट?
Minus.
Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
Anti-clockwise.
So which sign I have to give?
Minus.
Negative.
Minus sign I have to give. So minus. So right, give here minus sign. Minus. So here I will write minus. So first force is over. Second, so I will write here. So little space is available. Space. Next.
50 Newton.
50 Newton. So 50 Newton force. So what will be the same? Something else. Who is discussing? Shubham, are you discussing something else? Apart
No,
from,
sir.
just let me know who is discussing. 50 kilonewton force. So simple again. Same like 60 kilonewton. So what will be the moment due to 50 kilonewton force? Moment. Moment is equal to again magnitude into perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance equal to 50 perpendicular distance. You should not take inclined distance BD or DB. So what will be perpendicular distance?
3.5.
3.5 once again. Let's calculate now this first. 50 into 3.5.
175. 175.
175 kilonewton meter. What will be the sign? What is sign?
Minus.
Minus?
Negative.
Negative.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next point now. So I will go for next now. So whatever force 20 kilonewton is applied, 20 kilonewton. So is it Vertical, horizontal, or inclined? How it is? Is it horizontal?
Inclined, sir.
It is inclined at
Inclined.
an angle of how much?
20.
20 degree.
20 degree.
20 degree.
degree.
Inclined at an angle of 20 degree. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to find out its which components?
Component.
X and Y.
X and Y.
X and FY component.
Apex and Fy. So I will write here first. Third force is which force? 20 kilonewton.
20 kilonewton.
20 kilonewton. So for it, apex is equal to, now we have seen resolution of force. So what will be the formula for apex? Huh?
F
F
cos
cos
theta.
F cos theta.
F
What?
cos-
Huh? Anything more answer?
Angle X along X.
Very good. The angle is made with, or whatever angle is given, it is given with x-axis. So that's
X.
why we have to take its x component as F cos theta. इथं काय कुणाला problem? Any problem here? आपण cos
No,
का?
sir.
No, sir.
Why we have taken cos? Because angle is given with x-axis. So calculate now. 20 into cos, how much?
18.79.
18.79.
79.
I will believe now. I don't have calculator. So 18.79 is the force. आता इथं बऱ्याच जणांना शंका येईल का हा पॉझिटिव्ह का निगेटिव्ह. मोमेंट मध्ये आपण फोर्सचं काय फक्त विचारात घेणार आहोत? What we are
Magnitude.
only magnitude. So we should not think how it is positive or negative. Only magnitude. So here I will write now. Moment due to apex. Moment due to apex. So what it will be? Moment due to apex equal to apex into
6.84.
perpendicular distance. Apex into perpendicular distance. What is apex? 18 point.
18.79.
Oh, now you tell me what is perpendicular distance.
0.
Huh?
0.
0. Avinash,
Zero.
Avinash, 62. I think you were some background voice is coming. Avinash Salunki or what? Salagar. Whatever. Perpendicular
No, sir.
distance. Perpendicular distance is 0.
0.
Okay, so what will be the answer here? So directly 0, not necessary to write anything 0. So apex due to apex, moment is 0. So shall I write here Fy? So here, so I will write here at the top. So how it will be Fy? What will be the formula for Fy? F
F sin theta.
F
Sin-
sin theta.
F
F.
sin theta.
F sin theta. So what is F? How much we have calculated? Sorry, F is given. How much it is?
20.
20.
20 into sin theta.
Sin 20.
Sin to
Sin 20. How much it is? Calculate.
6.84.
6.84.
6.84 kilonewton. So here I will write now. Moment due to which force? Fy.
Fy.
So what it will be? Fy into perpendicular distance. So whether what is Fy?
6.84.
Rule number 21. So you can mute, you can close your video. Unnecessary you may get. How much it is Fy?
6.84.
6.84 into perpendicular distance.
2 meter.
2 meter. 2 meter here again. So here a little 1 minute only I will take. How? So here Fy component will be something like this, vertical Fy, like this. Just a minute. So Fy component will be something like this, vertical. So that component will be vertical. That's why that distance will be, sorry, like this it will be Fy. Sorry, all things erased. Sorry. Fy. Whether values are with you? So what is that? So here we will moment due to Fy. How much it was? We have calculated Fy into perpendicular distance equal to 6.84 into 2. How much it is? 13 point something.
13.68.
13 point
13.68.
68.
kilonewton meter. Okay. So total moment, whether values are with you in notebook, you tell now. By mistake,
Nine.
values. So total moment I will write here. Total moment equal to first one due to 60, how much it was? 60 into 3.5.
Minus 210.
So here sign we have missed. How it will be 13.68 plus minus इथे काही लक्षात बघा डी पॉइंट फिक्स आहे आणि याला जर आपण काय नाव दिलं ए बी सी डी ई म्हणतो मी तर ई तर ई पॉइंटच्या ठिकाणी फोर्स लावला एफ वाय सो हाऊ दॅट ऑब्जेक्ट विल गेट रोटेट अँटी क्लॉकवाइज or clockwise
Anti-clockwise.
anti-clockwise, that's why it will be negative. So now you tell me for total moment due to 60 Newton force. Actually it is Newton. No?
Minus 398.68.
Minus
Minus 398.68.
398. Total you are telling 0.68.
Yes, sir.
Total.
Total. Is there any objection we can say on this? कुणाच काय आहे काय याच्यापेक्षा वेगळा आन्सर असेल तर आपण नो so simple problem is there. So I think let me check whether some problem is there next to take. Okay. So this is over. This one is also over. So same problem. So will you calculate now at point which point I will take for this? So whether this thing is understood? Shall we go
Yes,
next?
sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me check whether some problems are there. One more problem was there, but whether this is over, no? This one is over, this is over. Shall we take one more problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, another slide I will share.